It's Morning Edition and Thursdays, and it appears that special time is upon us again. When we do this thing called CANDO, where at this time we talk about local events and happenings going on around the region as you get ready to plan your weekend. Now, we couldn't do this effort alone, so here to help us with that is none other than CADA Plus from the Contemporary Arts Network. April's almost out of here, pal.
Hello, everybody. Yes, Chuck, I've been saying it's going to be Christmas before we know it.
And given the interesting change in the weather, I see you're wearing a sweater this morning in the studio.
Yeah, I have 3 different layers on this morning. I'm trying to keep the electric bill down, you know?
Oh, my goodness. Yeah, the next couple of weeks. This is that time when it's hot one day, cold the next. You just kind of roll with it.
All of it. Expect all of it.
All right. Well, this week we're going to take you indoors. We'll take you outdoors. We've got a little bit of literally everything. But first, we head out to the hamlet of Chesapeake. What's going on out there?
We got the Chesapeake Spring Arts Festival. This is going to be Saturday, April 25th, 10 to 6, and then Sunday, April 26th, 11 to 5. It's going to be at the Chesapeake City Park over in Chesapeake. This is the 6th annual festival hosted by the Rotary Club of Chesapeake and the Chesapeake Fine Arts Commission.
That's a lot of Chesapeakes, we said.
Yeah, I got you, Chuck. This is in Chesapeake.
Yeah. Okay, so what else is happening at the Chesapeake Spring Arts Festival?
There's going to be over 170 artists, live music, craft beer from regional breweries, fine wines, food trucks, and a children's craft activity tent. Entertainment includes the Conquerors on Saturday and the DeLoreans on Sunday. Admission is free, our favorite word, and parking.
All right, and next we got this wild card selection in from Virginia Beach, but hey, let's talk about it.
Yep, we got Bulls and Barrels Beach Rodeo. This is going to be Saturday, April 25th and Sunday, April 26th. 3 p.m. both days.
This is like a genuine rodeo.
This is going to be at the Virginia Beach Oceanfront over on the beach on 3rd Street.
Interesting.
Now, this event is it's the Zebra Sanctioned Rodeo on the beach featuring extreme bull riding that I will not be participating in. They also have barrel racing, mini bull riding, mutton busting.
Wow.
That doesn't sound safe.
What is that?
That doesn't sound like an event for me.
No.
And rodeo clowns. Maybe that one. I don't know.
Yeah, I think we could do that.
So you can compete for a $12,000 purse and a Best of the Beach buckle. General admission starts around $51, VIP packages at $79.
Okay, so that's the wild card. Now, a little something to expand the mind, right?
Okay, my fellow nerds, this is the Hampton Roads Indie Bookstore Crawl. And it's going to be Saturday, April 25th through Sunday, May 3rd. And it's going to be at 20 different participating indie bookstores across Hampton Roads. This is going to be the 3rd annual regional bookstore crawl, kicking off on Independent Bookstore Day. So pick up a passport, collect stamps from at least 12 of the 20 participating bookstores, turn in your completed passport for a chance to win bookish prizes. No purchase is necessary. I love that.
Yeah, you can just go along and participate and check it out and learn about some new bookstores in the region maybe you haven't seen yet. So for our final event, let's get them outside. What's happening?
Yep, we got City Nature Challenge 2026, Newport News. This is going to be Friday, April 24th through Monday, April 27th. Then there's a public bio blitz Saturday, April 25th from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. and 3 to 4 p.m. Man, that's a lot of different times. This is an international 4-day bio blitz documenting local wildlife using the iNaturalist app. 2 public 1-hour bio blitz events at the Discovery Center paired with Insects and Friends programs.
Yeah, so you can check out Newport News Parks and Rec for more info on that one. This is great.
This one is going to be open to everyone, all ages, everybody.
Were you born? You can go. Yeah. All right, so as we wrap up CANDO, this is our thing we do every Thursday morning. We don't charge you a dime for it. We also do the weekend CANDO community calendars. We like to talk about your events there. But we can't do it unless you send in your event to us with 2 weeks in advance. And how do we do that?
You send them to CANDO@WHRO.org.
Perfect.
And like Chuck said, 2 weeks in advance.
And with that, we will conclude CANDO CADA Plus from the Contemporary Arts Network. Thank you so much for swinging in.
Later, guys.
And thank you all for supporting public radio in your community. This is Morning Edition.